Hello everyone, we are Group J10A3 and in this video we will present our final report for Design Thinking for Sustainable Business course. We started with an initial problem: waste accumulate faster than collection can handle, leading to open burning. We then observed several areas and found area 4 Taman Sari as main focus due to recurring waste accumulation. Next, we map the stakeholder, resident, RT/RW heads, and the inventor are our primary stakeholder, supported by DLH, waste collector, government, and NGOs. From the empathy map, we found that residents are frustrated by limited waste management, while open burning is seen as a practical but harmful solution. This means our solution must be practical and affordable.
After we did the empathize phase, we finally chose Taman Sari because the volume of the trash under the flyover is remain unsolved until now. Our define regarding the problem in the Taman Sari flyover is that the waste continues to accumulate beneath the flyovers. Using 5 whys as our guidance to define the problem more clearly, starting from the first whys, which is why does waste continue to accumulate? Because people keep disposing of the waste in the same locations until the last 5 whys, which is that why is the accumulated waste not effectively processed? Because there is no effective tools that can be capable of handling accumulated waste at the locations. Moving on to the problem statement map, the users are the local residents of the Taman Sari itself that needs to have an effective continuous waste processing tools that clear accumulates waste at the location on ongoing basis. Surprising insight is that reactive interventions never address while piles keep performing. After we did some reflections, we come into one conclusion, which how might we design waste processing tools that continuously prevent waste from accumulating beneath the Taman Sari flyover.
After defining the problem for Airway 4, we generated 31 ideas using 4 techniques: scamper, morphological matrix, analogy, and inverted worst ideas. To narrow this down, we use a 2 times 2 matrix that focus on the top left quadrant, high impact, low effort, because these give us the best results with the least resources. Our top idea here is the low OPEX incinerator that uses sugar palm fiber and pumice stone as a natural smoke filter, combined with a convection stack and venturi draft chamber. This design removes the need for an electric blower and LPG igniter, so it runs at zero operating cost. This helped us build our core specification baseline for phase 1, while higher efforts features were pushed to phase 2. From this, we selected our top 3: the low OPEX incinerator as our main concept, with the smart draft monitoring system and mobile incinerator as backup options.
Okay, so let's take a look at the prototyping phase. First is a process plan. We tested out 3 variants, which is the passive air draft zero OPEX incinerator, smart monitoring micro incinerator with app, and lastly is the mobile wheel mounted incinerator. We tested it out to the community and we received 3 feedbacks. First is from Pak Nano, second is from Pak Cecep, and the third is from one passing resident. And here are the example of the incinerator image. So the first is the zero OPEX incinerator, the second picture is the smart monitoring incinerator, and the third is the mobile incinerator. And here are the detailed explanation regarding of each of the incinerator. For the development process, for the first testing, we tested it out to the community, which is the 3% just now, Pak Cecep, Pak Nano, and the passing residents. For the second testing, so after we gather the feedback, we decided to combine the zero OPEX incinerator and the smart monitoring incinerator. And we decided to test it out for the second testing for the revalidation.
Okay, for the next part is feedback grid. This is the first feedback for the low OPEX incinerator. It is the most positive feedback compared to the 3 prototypes we've built, as it aligns with their concerns regarding incinerators potentially having high OPEX. And the second feedback is for the smart monitoring incinerator. They like the idea of it being modern and ensuring safety for the operators handling this prototype. And lastly, regarding the mobile instructor, they aren't too fond of this prototype because it doesn't align with its core purpose of being transportable, given that Area 4 actually has plenty of land available to build a stationary incinerator. After the first test, they wanted a low OPEX high-tech incinerator, so we combined the first and second prototypes and eliminated the third one. During the second test, they were extremely interested in the final merged prototype. Based on initial testing, we applied Scamper, combining the zero OPEX system with smart monitoring, dropping the mobile unit, and moving directly to a full-scale working prototype in Airway 4. And lastly, this is our testing documentation.